Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Today we're back to Revolut because Revolut prepared for us new quiz and we can grab a few of cryptocurrency for free. So go to your Revolut account, go to section crypto, choose discover, scroll below to section learn, and we see new quiz Oasis. Click on this. And like you see, we have 3 lessons, and after this we got some cryptocurrency in crypto rows. So let's start to lesson number 1. Intro to Oasis. So if you read information from this lesson and learn, go to quiz. Why is the Oasis network token named Rose? Rose symbolizes privacy. When was the Oasis network launched? 2018. Which of the following is Oasis community program? All of the above. And submit. Very nice. First quiz is done. Go to lesson number 2. How Oasis works. Read article about this lesson number 2. And if you're ready, start the quiz. How does Oasis achieve efficiency and confidentiality in the transactions? By operating separate consensus and application layer. What secure computing technology does Oasis use? Trusted execution environments. What name is given to Oasis computing environments that have assured states? Parallel runtimes. And submit. Nice. Quiz number 2 is done. Go to lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, Oasis and smart privacy. Read lesson number 3 and go to the quiz. So if you're ready, we can start. What problem does Oasis privacy solve? Blockchain privacy dilemma. What does the Oasis network build? Smart privacy for the apps. What cross-chain privacy framework did Oasis build? Oasis privacy layer. Submit. Very nice, so our quiz is done and we earn a little bit cryptocurrency in Revolut. If you first time on this Revolut quiz, you can go to section learn and use my previous videos where I explain how to resolve all of this quiz from this section learn, and you can earn a bit of cryptocurrency. If you have any question, put this question below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.